Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is World Wildlife Day. Every year, World Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd March. The day aims to create awareness about the various species of wild flora and fauna that inhabit the world. The day is also observed to encourage people to help in the preservation of the planet's biodiversity. The theme for World Wildlife Day 2022 will be Recovering Key Species for Ecosystem Restoration. The theme creates awareness about the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. On 20 December 2013, the UNGA decided to proclaim 3rd March as World Wildlife Day. Significantly, the proposal for World Wildlife Day was made in the 16th meeting of the Conference of the Parties to CITES, that is COP16, held in 2013. It is also the day when the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, was signed in 1973. Note that presently CITES has 183 member states. According to figures by the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List of Threatened Species, that is IUCN list, over 8,400 species of wild fauna and flora are critically endangered, and close to 30,000 more are understood to be endangered or vulnerable. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.